Ever wondered who's at the helm of a major investment firm, the person steering the ship through the complex world of finance? We often hear about the companies themselves, the funds, the strategies, but what about the individuals making the big decisions? Today, we're diving into exactly that, focusing on a significant player in the investment landscape, Nuggs Investment Management. Specifically, we're asking, who is the CEO of Nuggs Investment Management? Now, before we jump straight to the answer, let's take a moment to understand why this question is even important. Knowing who leads an organization like Nuggs provides valuable insight into the company's direction, its philosophy, and even its potential future. A CEO's background, experience, and vision often permeate the entire organization, influencing investment strategies, risk tolerance, and overall performance. It's like understanding the conductor of an orchestra. They may not play every instrument, but they shape the entire symphony. Nuggs Investment Management, for those unfamiliar, is a global investment management firm with a rich history. They manage assets for a diverse range of clients, from individuals to large institutions, across various asset classes. They're known for their research-driven approach and their focus on long-term investment goals. So, understanding who leads such a significant player in the financial world is crucial for anyone interested in investment, finance, or even just understanding how these large institutions operate. The answer to our central question, who is the CEO of Nuggs Investment Management, is. Insert current CEO name here. Now, it's important to note that leadership changes in the financial world. CEO appointments are announced, terms end, and sometimes transitions are made. So, while this information is current as of date of script creation, it's always a good idea to double-check with official sources like Nuggs' website for the most up-to-date information. These things can change, and we want to make sure we're always providing you with the most accurate details. But simply knowing the name isn't enough, is it? We want to go deeper. Who is this individual? What's their background? What makes them qualified to lead such a prominent investment firm? Insert detailed information about the CEO's background, experience, and career path here. This should include their previous roles, any significant achievements, and their educational background. Focus on what makes them a leader in the investment world. For example, X has a distinguished career spanning over 2 decades in the financial industry. Prior to joining Nuggs, they held senior leadership positions at Y and Z, where they were instrumental in. Their expertise in specific area of finance has been recognized by. They hold a degree in relevant degree from university and are a CFA charter holder. Understanding the CEO's background offers a glimpse into their perspective and priorities. For instance, if they have a strong background in a particular asset class, it might suggest a focus on that area within Nuggs' investment strategies. Or, if their experience is primarily in risk management, it might indicate a more conservative approach to investment. Of course, these are just potential indicators, and a CEO's leadership style is complex and multifaceted. Beyond their professional experience, it's also worth looking at any publicly available statements or interviews the CEO has given. These can provide insights into their vision for the company, their views on the market, and their overall investment philosophy. What are their priorities? What challenges do they see on the horizon? What opportunities do they believe exist? These are all important questions that can be answered by looking at what the CEO has said publicly. Include direct quotes or paraphrased summaries of the CEO's public statements on relevant topics. This could include their views on market trends, investment strategies, or the future of the financial industry. For example, in a recent interview, CEO name stated, "We believe that long-term value creation is paramount, and we are committed to a research-driven approach that prioritizes fundamental analysis." They also emphasized the importance of. Now, it's important to remember that a CEO doesn't operate in a vacuum. They are surrounded by a team of talented individuals, from portfolio managers to analysts, who contribute to the overall success of the firm. While the CEO sets the overall direction, it's the collective expertise and effort of the entire team that drives performance. However, the CEO plays a critical role in fostering a positive and productive work environment, attracting and retaining top talent, and ensuring that everyone is working towards a common goal. Furthermore, the CEO is accountable to the company's board of directors and ultimately to its shareholders or stakeholders. They are responsible for the overall performance of the firm and for ensuring that it operates in a responsible and ethical manner. This requires a high degree of integrity, sound judgment, and the ability to make difficult decisions under pressure. So, while we've answered the question of who is the CEO of Newton Investment Management, we've also explored why that question is important and what we can learn by understanding the background and experience of the person at the helm. It's not just about the name, it's about understanding the leadership, the vision, and the overall direction of the company. Remember, the financial world is constantly evolving, and staying informed about the leadership of key players like Newton Investment Management is essential for anyone who wants to navigate this complex landscape successfully. By understanding who is leading these organizations, we can gain valuable insights into their strategies, their priorities, and their potential future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.